Hi guys, this is Python series part 11. Now let's discuss SepParameter in print function and EndParameter in print function. First we will discuss SepParameter. The separator between the arguments to print function is space by default. If we want to change the default separator space into some other character or string, we can with the help of the SepParameter. Okay. So this SepParameter is also used for formatting the output strings. Now let's see this example. Here I have created two variables x and y. I have given 10 to x variable and 20 to y variable. This is the print statement. Here I print the x and y values. Let me execute this one. X value is 10, y value is 20. In between we have the space. So this space is what? The default separator between the arguments. But I want to give some special character or string, means we have to use the SepParameter like this. I uncomment this line. Now let me execute the same program again. Here in between x and y values I got colon with the help of this SepParameter. And the second one, EndParameter in print function. So what is the role of the EndParameter? The EndParameter is used to append any string at the end of the output of the print statement. Okay. So what is the default value for EndParameter? New line character /n. Okay. Now let's see this example. Here I have given RAM to name variable and 34 to age variable. Okay. Now in this two statement, I didn't use any EndParameter. So what is the output for this program? Here this statement is printed and the second statement is printed in the new line only. Okay. If I want to print both the statements in the single line itself, means how is it possible? With the help of EndParameter, that is possible. Okay. So here I just uncomment this two lines. Let me execute this program again. Here name is Ram and instead of the default new line character, here I have used what? The comma separator for the EndParameter. Okay. Both the statements are displayed in a single line itself with the help of this EndParameter. Actually the default value for EndParameter is new line character, that is /n. If we want to append the lines, we can use the EndParameter like this. Okay. So we have completed the SepParameter and EndParameter. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.